The curse of using an old persnickety camera strikes again. The video ended before I really got very far. But right now I'm sewing the end of the scarf together. As you can see, I have the stripes, the outside of the stripes facing out. And after I sew down the side of the scarf, matching up the stripes as best as I can, I'm going to turn it inside out so that the stripes can be right side out. Then sew up the last end. So I will go ahead and do that and see you in a few minutes. Bye.